Hi, I'm Sakib Zambridkar, student of TYCSE ADCET. This is our ISC activity for open elective subject electrical technology diagram representation. So topic for my diagram representation is three-phase induction motor. This is a diagram for three-phase induction motor. So first, what is electrical motor? Electrical motor is an electromechanical device that converts the electrical energy into the mechanical energy. In a case of three-phase AC, that alternating current operation, the most widely used motor is a three-phase induction motor. As this type of the motor does not require any additional starting device, this type of the motor are known as self-starting induction motor. They do not require any starting force. That's why they are known as a self-starting induction motor. To get a good understanding of the working principle of the three-phase induction motor, it is essential to understand the construction of a three-phase induction motor. A three-phase induction motor is consist of the two major parts. As I mentioned, first the rotor and a stator. So the stator of the three-phase induction motor. The stator of the three-phase induction motor is made up of a number of slots that constructed as a three-phase winding. The circuit which we connected with a three-phase AC source, we arrange the three phase winding in such a manner in a slots that they are produce one rotating magnetic field when we switch on the three-phase AC supply to the sources. So the next part is a rotor part. Rotor of the three-phase induction motor is consist of the cylindrical lamination core with the parallel slots that can carry the conductor. The conductor are a heavy copper or aluminium bars are fitted in each slot and the sorted circulated by the ends of the ring. The slot are not exactly made of a parallel to the axis of the shaft, but they are slotted a little skewed. Because of this arrangement, they reduce the magnetic humming noise and avoid the starting of the motor. So now the working of the three-phase induction motor, the production of the rotation of a magnetic field. As a stator motor consists of the overlapping winding offset of the electrical angles, that's 120 degree. That is the angle between the three A, B and Y, it is 180 degree each. So they are connected primarily winding or the stator of to the three-phase AC source. It is established a rotating magnetic field which rotates synchronous speed. So synchronous speed, it is a concept it has a formula which that is ns is equals to 120, that is a degree between the b r and y, that's 120 degree, and into f, that is field divided by the poles containing that. So now moving towards the main part, the secret is behind rotation. According to Faraday's law of EMF, that is electromagnetic force, induction is an any circuit is due to the rate of change of magnetic flux linkage through the circuit, as the rotor winding and it is induction motor are either close to the external resistance or directly sorted by a end right, and the cut of the stator rotating magnetic field and the EMF is induced in a rotor of a copper bar, and due to the EMF of a current flows through a rotor conductor. Here the relative speed between the rotating flux and the static rotor conductor is a cause of the current generated. Hence, as per the Lenz's law, the rotor generation hence in the same direction to reduce the cause, that is relative velocity. Thus, the working principle of a three-phase induction motor, it may be observed that the rotor speed should be not reach the synchronous speed. That as I mentioned about the synchronous speeds formula, it proceeds by the stator. If the speed become equal, there will be no such relative speed. So no EMF is induced in the rotor, and the current will be flowing, and therefore the no torque will be generated. That's the torque will not generated. Consequently, the rotor cannot reach the synchronous speed. The difference between the synchronous speed and the rotor speed is called as the slip. as I mentioned, the sleep wiring. There are the three rectangles are there. They are sleep rings as connected to the shafts, and the rotor speed is the rotation of the magnetic field in the induction motor has the advantage that is no electrical connection made. No, need to be made to rotor. Thus, the three-phase induction motor is self-starting. The less armature and the brush sparking because of the absence of commutators and the branches that may cause the spark. The robust in construction, economical, that is very cheaper as compared to another, easier to maintain. So thank you for watching this video. I will accept that you all understand the concept of the three phase induction motor. So thank you for watching this video.